Recently, the price of energy services has skyrocketed, with some experts clocking increases of nearly 14% compared to last year. Here are 3 ways to cut costs. Don't overdo it with the detergent. Excess soap may cause your washer to work harder than it needs to, leading to higher energy output. Check your washer's serial number to make sure you're using the appropriate amount. Excess dirt and grime in your refrigerator and freezer doors can prevent them from closing properly. And without a proper seal, these devices will work overtime to keep items cool. Our advice is to give those doors a thorough wipe down with a paper towel plus a cleaning fluid that won't leave any residue. This one is crucial, especially if you have pets. Air conditioners are typically the #1 energy hog in homes. A clogged filter will not only hurt your bottom line, but it can affect your comfort as well. We suggest cleaning your filter on the regular, or even replacing it altogether, since a new filter isn't terribly expensive, especially considering how much money it will save you down the line. Drop a comment below with your advice on lowering energy costs, and stay tuned to Lifehacker for more tips and tricks on how to do everything better.